Today we're changing the cabin air filter in a Volkswagen MK7 Golf. Alright, well here's the glove box, and if you don't know where your glove box is, maybe you don't need to be doing this. So simply open your glove box and you're going to need to remove all the crud out of your glove box. So owner's manual, registration, stuff like that. So get all that kind of stuff out of here first. Otherwise it'll spill on the floor anyway. So there are two tabs. There's one right up in here. See this little bugger right here? You want to push in on it. And then there's one right here. Now you'll have to probably lift the glove box up a little bit, and this won't be showable on camera because my hands and arms will be in the way, but basically just lift it up just to take the pressure off of these and push them in both at the same time, and then the box will drop down. So the next step is to open up this cover, and basically you just pull these tabs. It should just come right open. As you can tell, mine has not been changed in quite some time. You want to make note of the arrows on this filter. They're here and they want to be pointing down. You can see how awful this thing is. Every 20,000 miles, and this has been about 30. So you can see this is the Wix model air filter that you want to use. The Volkswagen one is carbon activated to control odor. I'm not too concerned about it. This was much cheaper, so that's the one I'm using. Well, I guess I was mistaken by the looks of this. It's very gray colored, so I'm assuming this does have some type of activated charcoal in it. And right here is where the down arrow is. We want to make sure we get that in there correctly. If you see any debris before you put this in, you want to remove it. And simply replace the air filter cover. Now when you replace this, when you put this back, this arm is going to need to be guided back into this this hole right here, because it's free floating right at the moment. So you're going to have to jiggle around with it a little bit. And then should just be slamming that home, and then you can refill all your crap back in your glove box, and you'll have nice fresh air for your next 30,000 miles. Well, thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share. Adios.